So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can look up your MAC address in your MacBook. So guys, if you're a new user and you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video without delaying. So guys, just go ahead and open your system settings first. And once you're in this page, you'll see many options. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, network, VPN, and many more right here. You just need to find network and tap there. And once you're there, just go ahead and tap on your Wi-Fi. Scroll down till you find this option that says advanced. Just tap there. And now you can see many of these options like change networks, turn Wi-Fi on or off, show legacy networks and options, and finally Wi-Fi MAC address. So guys, this is your MAC address that you wanted to find. So there you go. That's how you find your MAC address. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.